Sync the VIP Mailbox across all your Apple devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Here's a quick, complete guide. On your iPhone, you can access the VIP Mailbox under the All Inboxes section from the top left corner. If it's not showing, tap Edit and enable it. To make any sender's email a VIP, open the Mail app and tap on the sender's name. Then tap View Contact Card and tap Add to VIP. That's it. To remove a sender, follow the same steps and remove them from VIP under the contact card. Now this email will be available inside the VIP folder. To customize VIP email notifications, go to the Settings app and scroll to Notifications. Find Mail in the list. The last option is Customize Notifications. Scroll down a little and tap on VIP. Turn on the Alerts toggle, choose the right sound, and enable the Badges toggle if you want. That's all about VIP email notification customization. Make sure the rest of your mail notification settings are enabled so alerts show properly on your iPhone screen. If you have any questions, then comment below. Please like to support me and subscribe for new video updates.